Hi friends, welcome to Lifestyle Lakshmi. Today's video is very interesting. I am going to show you 5 different dishes with multigrains. It is very healthy and easy to prepare. So till end of the video, don't skip any part of it. Multigrain food will improve digestion, provides a diverse mineral intake, protects the heart, builds strong bones, improves the metabolism and boosts the blood circulation. Consuming multigrain food throughout the day, we feel energized and it helps in weight management. Now let us see the preparation. Ingredients I have given it here. Take all the ingredients in a vessel and clean them with water except rice flakes. Rice flakes is optional because diabetic people need not to add rice flakes. Soak it in water for 4 hours. Soak rice flakes separately and grind it together. Then grind it in the grinder or mixie. If you use grinder, you can keep the batter for 3-4 days. It will be more tasty also. Keep the batter outside overnight for the fermentation. The batter will be ready in the morning for preparing idli. Nicely the batter is fermented now. Now batter is ready to prepare the dishes. Let us see the multigrain idli preparation now. Mix the batter well and pour it in the idli plates and cook for 10 minutes. Now 10 minutes over, let us see how it has come. Wow, very fluffy. It looks like Black Forest cake. Friends, this is one of the best healthy food. Don't miss it. Please try it at home. To give more attraction, I have decorated with coconut chutney and pudina chutney like this. Easy way to prepare upma. With the leftover idlis, we can prepare tasty upma. Sprinkle little water in the idlis and keep it in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes. Then smash the idlis. Now season with mustard, groundnut, chana dal, urud dal, green chilies, curry leaves and onion one by one. Fry it together for 2 minutes. At last we have to add smashed idlis in it. Now we have to add little salt. Then mix it well. Now super and yummy upma is ready. The next day, the batter would have fermented so well. With this batter, we can prepare some more dishes. I have added little water because the batter is too thick. After heating the pan, we can pour dosa. It comes out very well. we can prepare it like roast dosa. Now, yummy, tasty, crispy, multi-grain dosa is ready to eat. Next dish is onion dosa and kulipaniyaram. For this little we have to do pre-preparation. In the kadai we have to season mustard, chana dal, urud dal, then onion, green chilies, curry leaves. Together you have to fry it and keep it ready. When you prepare onion dosa, heat the pan, then pour the batter. It should be thick. Then what we have fried it and kept that onion. Now if you add vegetables in this, it will be a vegetable dosa. I am showing only onion dosa. Then you have to close it with the lid. Leave it for 2 minutes, then open it. Just turn it back. Now multi-grain onion dosa is ready to eat. Next dish is kulipaniyaram. Friends, this is also very easy to prepare. Already we have batter and we have fried and kept it ready the onion mix. That also we have to add with the batter. At last we have to add coriander leaf also. Mix it well and start preparing paniyaram. In that pan, first apply oil, then start pouring batter. Then add 1 spoon of oil again. Then close it with the lid and leave it for 2-3 minutes. Then after 3 minutes, you take it and now you have to flip the paniyaram. If you want, you can add some more oil. Otherwise, leave it as it is another 2-3 minutes. Now, yummy tasty paniyaram is ready. See, the outer layer is very crispy and inner side is very soft. With one batter, we can prepare 5 different dishes. All of you try at home without fail and give your feedback in the comment box. All of you please subscribe and press the bell button for the notifications. Thank you all.